If you love classic American muscle cars, today's car is something truly special. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is not just a car, it is a legend that started one of the biggest muscle car rivalries in history. Introduced to compete directly with the Ford Mustang, the Camaro quickly built a reputation for style, performance, and aggressive road presence. Today we are looking at a black 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, one of the most intimidating and timeless color combinations ever made for this car. Black paint on a first-generation Camaro highlights every body line and makes the car look aggressive even when standing still. In this video, we will go deep into exterior design, interior quality, performance, driving feel, and current price value of this classic icon. Whether you are a collector, enthusiast, or just love muscle cars, this is a car you need to understand. Exterior. Starting from the exterior, the 1967 Camaro introduced Chevrolet's F-body platform, which gave it a sporty and aggressive stance. The car has a long hood, short rear deck design which was typical of American muscle cars and helped create that powerful road presence. The overall length was around 184 inches with a wheelbase of about 108 inches, giving the car balanced proportions and stable highway performance. Cars and racing stuff. The front design is simple but aggressive. Round headlights, wide grille, and strong bumper lines make it look muscular without being overly complicated. The black color makes chrome parts like the grille trim, bumpers, and badges stand out beautifully. Under sunlight, black paint makes body curves look deeper and more dramatic. On the side profile, the car features clean lines, slightly flared wheel arches, and a low roofline. The door design is simple but strong, and when paired with period-correct wheels, the car looks extremely aggressive. Many models came with optional stripes, RS hidden headlights, or SS performance styling packages, which made the car look even sportier. The rear design is also iconic. Simple rectangular tail lights, chrome bumper, and wide rear stance make it instantly recognizable. The black color gives it a stealthy look, almost like a classic street racing machine. Build quality was strong for its era. The body used a unitized construction with a front subframe, helping improve handling and durability. Moto Gallery. Overall, even today, the 1967 Camaro exterior design looks timeless and still turns heads everywhere. Interior. Moving inside, the 1967 Camaro interior was simple but driver-focused. Compared to modern cars, it feels mechanical and raw, but that is exactly what classic car lovers want. The dashboard design is horizontal and clean. Large analog gauges provide speed, RPM, fuel level, and engine temperature information. Everything is easy to read and positioned directly in front of the driver. Many models came with optional center console gauges and upgraded steering wheels. Seats were designed for comfort rather than aggressive racing support. Front bucket seats were available, and depending on trim level, materials included vinyl or upgraded deluxe interior packages. Rear seats were usable but mainly designed for short trips or extra storage. Interior space was decent for a muscle car of its era, but obviously smaller compared to modern vehicles. The steering wheel is thin by modern standards but gives great road feedback. The gear shifter, especially in manual versions, feels mechanical and engaging. You feel connected to the car in a way modern cars cannot replicate. Still, for weekend drives or classic car shows, it is perfect. Performance. Now comes the most exciting part, performance. The 1967 Camaro was available with a wide range of engines, from basic 6-cylinder engines to powerful big block V8 monsters. The base engine started with a 230 cubic inch inline-6 producing about 140 horsepower, while upgraded versions went up to massive V8 engines like the 396 cubic inch big block producing up to 375 horsepower. Muscle car facts +1. The famous Z/28 version used a 302 cubic inch V8 producing around 290 horsepower, designed mainly for racing and high RPM performance. Moto Gallery. Performance numbers varied depending on engine choice. Some high-performance models could reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, which was extremely fast for the 1960s muscle car era. Quarter-mile times ranged roughly between 14 to 15 seconds depending on engine and setup. Muscle car facts +1. The car used rear-wheel drive layout, front engine placement, and either manual or automatic transmission options. Driving feel was raw and mechanical. No traction control, no electronic stability, just pure engine power and driver skill. Fuel economy was obviously low compared to modern cars, but muscle cars were never about saving fuel. They were about power, sound, and road presence. Driving this car today still feels exciting because you experience real mechanical feedback. Steering, acceleration, and braking all require driver involvement. Driving experience. On the road, the 1967 Camaro feels heavy but powerful. Steering is slower compared to modern cars, but once you get used to it, it feels natural. Suspension setup used front independent suspension and rear leaf springs, giving it strong straight-line performance but slightly less cornering precision compared to modern sports cars. Moto Gallery. The sound of a V8 Camaro is one of the best parts of ownership. Deep exhaust tone, strong acceleration noise, and raw engine vibration make driving very emotional and exciting. Prices. When new, the base price of the 1967 Camaro started around $2,466 for the hardtop model, which was affordable for many American buyers at that time. Cars and racing stuff. Today, prices vary heavily depending on condition, rarity, and engine type. Project cars can be relatively affordable, while fully restored or rare models like Z/28 or big block versions can cost tens of thousands or even over $100,000 depending on condition and originality. Classic muscle cars have become collector investments, especially rare performance variants. The Sun. A clean, well-maintained 1967 Camaro is now considered a collectible piece of automotive history. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is more than just a car. It is history, performance, and emotion combined into one machine. The black color makes it even more special, giving it a timeless and aggressive look that never gets old. It may not have modern technology, but it offers something better. Pure driving emotion. The sound, the power delivery, and the classic design make it one of the best muscle cars ever built. If you love classic cars, this is one of the best icons you can own or experience. The 1967 Camaro started a legacy that continues today, and it remains one of the most respected names in muscle car history.